Hello everyone, welcome to Minute Coding with Miguel Parada. Today we're going to talk about functions and how to create constructors out of them. Here, first we'll call the function, which is a built-in method that JavaScript observes, and we'll call that function user_info. Please note that we use a lowercase and a uppercase, and it's known as camel casing. But right there, if we say this.name equals name, that creates an instance of that. So we're saying that we want the new name to be stored into this variable. Now, after that, we'll actually create the variable right there. So we say information equals new user info, and we feed it these parameters. We fed it Miguel and the password. So in order to write to the document, we use document write followed by the information name. But that's all for today. Thank you for watching.